Alright, so in this 10 problem solving walkthrough, we are going to be doing some arithmetic sequences. So let's get started. So we have a problem here. Let's get started. So we're asked to compute an arithmetic sequence divided by another arithmetic sequence. So we have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, and it's all the way up to 48. And it's divided by 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus the next term all the way to 96. Now I want you to come up with a strategy to handle this problem from what we learned in arithmetic sequences, and we're also going to learn a new skill today, which is identifying an arithmetic sequence. So go ahead. Alright. So I notice this is an arithmetic sequence. That means I'll just keep getting multiples of 2 divided by multiples of 4. Now, let's just try computing a part of the sequence. So I'm going to compute 2 plus 4 over 4 plus 8. Now, this is just 2 plus 4 is 6, and 4 plus 8 is 12. We get 6 over 12, which is 1/2. So, and these are the first two. Now let's find out the first three. Let's compute the first three. We have 2 plus 4 plus 6 over 4 plus 8 plus 12. Now let's compute this. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. And that's over 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. And 12 times 2 is 24. Pull out a common factor, we get 1/2 again. Now we see there's 1/2. Let's compute the first 4. So we are going to go over here, first 4 terms. That's 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 over 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16. Now this part is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. So we have 20 over 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Now we have 24 plus 16. Now 24 plus 10 is 34. And 34 plus 6 is just plus 16, which is 40. The zeros cancel. 2 over 4 equals 1/2. Now we're noticing that everything is equal to 1/2, and we think, is just the entire thing 1/2? And I'm going to show you, before we finalize our answer, what's really happening here. Every single time we're adding in this, we have a multiple of 2 over a multiple of 4. And no matter what we get, as you can see, this is 8 and 16. It's always going to be in the ratio 1 to 2, with this being the numerator and this being the denominator of this arithmetic sequence. It's always going to be in that ratio. Check out the last two terms here. We have 48 and 96. Now, 48 and 96, 48 times 2 is 96. So even this can be simplified down to 1/2. And we notice that if we're always going to have, even when we sum all of this up, we're going to have a multiple of 2 over a multiple of 4. Now, it's not that a multiple of 2, it's not like a multiple of 2 over a multiple of 4 is always equal to 1/2. Now let's see why. Over here we have 48. 48 is a multiple of 2. It's the 24th multiple of 2. Now we check out 96. 96 is also the 24th multiple of 4. Now what happens when you have the nth multiple of 2 over the nth multiple of 4? You get 1/2, no matter what value it is. So always keep in mind, nth multiple of, I'm actually going to erase. So always keep in mind that when you have the nth multiple of 2 over the nth multiple of 4, no matter what values in n, we will always get back to 1/2. Go ahead and test some numbers. Test the 16th multiple of 2. 16th multiple of 2, that's 32 over 64. And that's just the 16th multiple of 4. And now notice how 32 times 2 is 64. That simplifies to 1/2. So always keep this in mind, that it's always going to simplify to 1/2. So going back to our problem, we're going to have the same multiple of, so in this problem, we're going to have the sum is going to be sum nth multiple of 2 divided by the same nth multiple of 4, which will equal 1/2. So now we know that the answer is just going to be 1/2. From what we've learned over here, we know the answer, the sum will just simplify down to 1/2, no matter what value it is. And that just shows that most of these arithmetic sequences are pretty easy. The answers are very simple. So hopefully this video is helpful, and yeah.